we have a stopover here. Now going to the medyo pahinga. It's a long stretch of expressway here in Turkey. So, yung passenger dito is napagod. Okay. So dito yung kanila gasoline. Hindi tawag nila gasoline, it's benzene or petrol, no? They call that petrol or benzene. So ang system nila is you set up a fuel, pagkatapos you pay inside, no? You pay inside. So we're using a Toyota Corolla na hybrid, no, na vehicle. Very nice yung kanya because yung feature niya is total grip yung car, yung gulong. So we're expecting mga 120, we traveled mga 120 kilometers. Hindi naman siya hindi mainit. No, so I was worried kanina na baka sa sobrang bilis, no, because we're traveling mga 150 kilometers per hour. Iinit siya. Hindi siya mainit, no? Hindi mainit. So we had a full tank here. Very nice yung view dito sa side, left side. Tingnan mo, scenic, no? This is Turkey na side. Green na green, no? Green na green na side. So we're just stretching muna because of the long trip. We have mga 150 kilometers more na biyahe. Stretching muna kami. Bili ng kape. Kakolor ko pa yung gas station nila, yung petrol station. Market Plus, no? Energy. So anong binili ni Hana dito for relaxation? Anong drinks binili mo, Hana?
Correct.
No? For Hana will be chill muna kami. Finally confirm ko pala na I confirmed na we're on safe, yung tire niya is good quality. What about the passengers? Passengers, hey?
Hello.
Passengers sa likod?
Coffee!
We have a break.
Yan, coffee. Juice yan.
And meron akong Nescafe Express Latte, no? Just to break. And nagluto si Hana ng Badem Almond Croissant. Okay, merienda muna.
Merienda time.
Merienda time.